Hey everybody, Thwillamxplotagon here. Today, Classic Caillou pulls the fire alarm at school /suspended/grounded. Ugh, it's already been a few days, and Thwillamxplotagon was really lazy these days and I still have school. This is bullshit.
Classic Caillou, wake up, it's time to.
No. I don't want another Arkansas school day AT math. I just want to stay in my smelly, stinky, booty smelling, poopy, pee butt cheeks slapping, clapping, poopy butt diarrhea and drew new cake poop poopy poo bedroom, right? Fucking. Now,
Ooh. Classic Caillou. Stop, you cut my words off. How dare your classic newborn bald, egg cracking, chicken strip, butt sniffing, Mr. Clean looking boy. Now go to school. Right now, ooh.
Boo. Why, I can't believe I got sent to school for the 10,110,6,3,3,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 ND time. This sucks. No. Not Gino. He has a fake disability, a stupid face, and is ugly as hell.
I'd rather not meet you again.
Oh, shut up, stupid!
We're already here.
Alright, finally we're in the class. Not Willard 2 aka Willow and Maxie's neighbors. Fuck all this shit. I hope you get flattened by a moving bus. Hey! Don't fucking roll your eyes like that. Stupid! Jerk! Class, that's enough. And Classic Caillou, how dare you bully them again? Do it again and you will be pooped on by a bird as punishment. Anyways, where was I?
Bro, come on, I can't believe it. I can't believe this and I have to take that stupid math test again? Seriously! When is the world gonna turn into a non-poopy pig's butthole whose butt is a poopy muddy puddle?
Classic Caillou, I can hear you talking from the back.
Ugh. Whatever! Can I at least use the bathroom?
Yes, but me quick or you're suspended.
Now time to do something bad in the hallway? Oh, what's that?
Come on. Pull me to ditch this poopy hole.
Must. Pull. Right. Now. Washington. Hey.
Oh no. Come on guys. That's the fire drill. Come outside. Quickly. Phew, that was close. Whoa, Ava, why are you angry?
Well, to tell the truth, someone pulled the goddamn fire alarm!
Thoughts IT. Whoever did this is suspended for 100 seconds and 100 minutes.
Well, actually, it was that dumb bitch ass.
Hey. I'm not a dumb bitch ass.
No, not you. It was that bald ass with a gray shirt. Group of exclamation marks.
Wait, what?
No, you guys are a bunch of snitches. Lick my asshole, you dumb bass pee-pee drinkers.
That's IT. We were going home and you're gonna be busted. Classic Caillou, how dare your chicken butt pulled the fire alarm Arkansas school. You know there's no fire at school.
Okay, first of all, why are we in my room instead of the living room? Second of all, why are you dancing like an ugly ass bitch? Third of all, I still don't give a fuck if I'm grounded.
I don't care, now stay in your room and never ever. Get out!
Finally, we're done. Also, it's me again from season 1 or 2, probably. Ooh. What are you guys and girls still doing here? No! Get out! Leave the video or I'm gonna poop on your face.